The smartphone market is a battleground where only the strong survive. Motorola, a veteran of countless campaigns, has once again entered the fray with a new weapon, the Edge 50 Ultra. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge specs, it's clear that Motorola has poured its heart and soul into this device. But does it have what it takes to stand out in a crowded market? Let's dive in and find out. The first thing you'll notice about the Edge 50 Ultra is its stunning display. Measuring 6.8 inches, the Edge 50 Ultra's display dominates the front, providing an immersive viewing experience. Featuring a vibrant AMOLED panel, the Edge 50 Ultra delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks and sharp resolution. Whether you're scrolling, watching movies, or gaming, the Edge 50 Ultra's display impresses. Every image is rendered with incredible detail, making every interaction a visual treat. Now, let's talk about what makes this phone tick. At the heart of the Edge 50 Ultra beats the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It's built for speed, power, and efficiency, ensuring that everything runs smoothly no matter how hard you push it. Apps launch in a flash, games run without a hitch, and multitasking is a breeze. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 at the helm, the Edge 50 Ultra can handle anything you throw at it. A powerful processor needs plenty of RAM, and the Edge 50 Ultra delivers. Choose up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. With up to 512 gigabytes of storage, space is no issue. The Edge 50 Ultra satisfies even the most demanding users. But what about style? Don't worry, the Edge 50 Ultra comes in a variety of colors to match your personality. Choose from sleek and sophisticated options like Interstellar Black and Cosmic Sapphire, or make a statement with the eye-catching Starlight Silver. Each color option is designed to complement the phone's premium design and turn heads wherever you go. The Edge 50 Ultra is more than just a phone, it's a fashion statement. Express yourself and choose the color that best reflects your unique style and personality. Let's talk about the camera. The Edge 50 Ultra excels in photography. With a triple lens system headlined by a 200MP main sensor, it captures stunning photos and videos. A 50MP ultra-wide lens captures epic landscapes, and a 12MP telephoto lens gets up close. From portraits to landscapes, this phone elevates your photography game. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a premium device with a premium price tag. Expect to pay around $899 for the base model. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it's designed for those who demand the best. So there you have it. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is a phone that's big, bold, and unapologetically premium. With its powerful processor, stunning display, versatile camera system, and sleek design, the Edge 50 Ultra has all the makings of a true flagship smartphone. It's a statement piece, a device that announces to the world that you demand the best. If you're looking for a phone that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, the Edge 50 Ultra is worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching.